Hello viewers, I'm Luke, this is my cave. On this channel I'm going to show you the extraordinary things that I get up to and the cars that I build. There's no bullshit. If I snap a bolt, you're going to know about it. If I can't get one undone, I'm going to show you how I would get it undone. On this series, I'm building a full racing Puma number 0442. There she is. Talking you through my full racing Puma number 442. Some of the things we're going to be replacing on her are clutch, 3-piece, cam belt, water pump, thermostat housing and thermostat. We'll be doing a full service, wiper blades, air filter, column filter, oil and a battery. We'll also be doing a fuel pump and some bodywork. And so I'm building number 442. First thing we're going to be doing to be getting her running is we're going to be replacing the battery so we can power up the electronics. We need that so we can wind down the windows and not get ourselves locked and check that everything's working okay. First, while that's off, that's going down the powder coaters. Always love to send home, ever so gently. And of course it is coming out again soon.